Vive le français! Bonjour mes amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. So today I'm going to cook with you la purée de pommes de terre. So what is la purée de pommes de terre? Pomme de terre is potato, pomme de terre. But not any pomme de terre. You know, in France there are many species of potatoes. And by the way, I think the potato come from South America. I think many species of potatoes come from South America. But anyway, this potato is la pomme de terre pour la purée. Purée. You see purée here. Purée. Let's say what? Four. Purée. Potage. Four means you can cook this potato in the oven. Purée means you can do what we are going to do. And potage, it means you can use it for the soup. Soup, purée, potage. Of course, the potatoes that you use for purée is easier to mash. So what we did first, I didn't show you, we boiled the potato and peeled the skin off. Then you will put it inside here, all of them, or whatever you want, okay? And you turn. So let me show you here, you turn. Okay, you see? You see? Like this, you see? And underneath, like this. Et la purée, you can see, okay? So let's put all the potatoes there. To give a little bit taste, la purée de pommes de terre is a typical French dish. It's a typical French dish. You know, ok. Encore une. Okay. Une. Et une autre. Une très grosse pomme de terre. Une très grosse pomme de terre. Okay. Et je tourne encore. Je tourne. Ça, c'est ce qu'on appelle un moulin. Un moulin. Voilà. C'est presque terminé, donc c'est un moulin. Et encore les pommes de terre qui restent. 1, 2 et 3. Et ça, c'est un saladier. Il ne reste plus de pommes de terre. There is no more potatoes inside. So, on va tourner le moulin. On va encore tourner le moulin. Et voilà, la purée de pommes de terre, la purée de pommes de terre, okay? So what French people do also together with it, of course we'll add some black pepper inside, so we'll add some black pepper and the poivre, and we'll add the salt, le sel, le poivre et le salt, so to give a little bit taste, okay? What you need to do also is mettre du beurre, So this is the butter, le beurre. You need to add a lot of butter, beaucoup de beurre. The butter is what gives the taste. However, you need to know that butter is not healthy for you. In fact, if you cook too much with butter, you can have the cancer. So it's not good to cook too much with butter. But the French cuisine use a lot of butter. And if you put a lot of butter inside the puree, you will feel the taste is so delicious. The more butter you put, the taste will be incredible. So if you put a big piece of butter inside, you can put the whole piece of butter, like 300 grams inside. The taste will be delicious when you cook it. But however, it's not very healthy for you. What you can also add, instead of the butter, you can also add some milk. The normal milk. I don't have any milk here, so I just show you this one is the rice milk. But normally you can add the milk, the normal milk, the whole milk and the butter. But of course the milk and the butter is not that healthy. So some people they put less butter and they will put just the water, l'eau au lieu du beurre, le beurre et le lait. et puis le sel et le poivre. Why the French cuisine use a lot of butter? Because in many parts of France we have a lot of butter. Because in many parts of France we have many cows. Nous avons des vaches. Des vaches. Et les vaches produisent beaucoup de lait et beaucoup de beurre. In France is a rich country, so there are many places where the cows can be there. They can produce lot of milk, lot of butter, lot of cheese. And in some other countries you don't have this. You can only have the goat, or you can only have the chicken or the pork. But in France we can feed the cow, because there are some places that is very rich, where you have a lot of grass. Donc il y a beaucoup de vaches, et le beurre n'est pas cher. Le beurre, ce n'est pas très cher. Okay? So the traditional French cooking has a lot of butter. So here we'll add some butter and salt and pepper. One thing also is la purée. How you eat after that? You will just leave it here. Okay. After that, you just leave it here, and you can cook it. And you can also cook it with some cheese. You can. I'll just put this here. You can cook this together with some cheese on top of it. And you can cook it in the oven. Vous pouvez le mettre avec du fromage dans le four. Vous pouvez le cuisiner dans le four. Vous voyez là, je rajoute un peu de poivre. Du poivre. Et je rajoute du sel. Ici du sel. D'accord? Un peu de poivre, un peu de sel. Ok? And then you mix it. Ok? Un peu de poivre, un peu de sel. What you can do also is you can, instead of the butter, you can put the oil. So some people prefer, instead of the butter, no butter, but de l'huile. L'huile au lieu du beurre. But of course, for the taste, the butter is the best. Pour le goût, le beurre, c'est le meilleur. Okay? Bon, ben voilà. Merci mes amis. So, je fais la purée. C'est la purée française. La purée. La purée. And by the way, there is a French expression that says on est dans la purée. Et on est dans la purée means we are inside this. So we are having some trouble. We are having some trouble. We cannot move. We are inside la purée. It's like this, la purée. Ou le temps, c'est la purée. Le temps, c'est la purée. It means you cannot see far away. There is a lot of smoke, or there is a lot of fog. A lot of fog. C'est la purée. Okay. Au revoir, à bientôt.